Hi everybody, in this tutorial we're going to see how to make edgings, borders. So we're going to start by making a simple stitch, the lace shell stitch. When we work edgings and borders, it's very important to remember the multiples of the foundation chain. So to work the lace shell stitch, we're going to make to work on a multiple of 4. So we're going to make a foundation chain of 16 chains. Now we're going to make one more stitch, and in the second we're going to make a single crochet, and in each chain throughout the row we're going to make a single crochet. And now we're going to make another chain, because we have to work a second row of single crochets. So we're going to work single crochets throughout the row. And now we're going to make the main stitch, which is the lace shell stitch. And so we're going to make 3 chains, turn the work, and here at the beginning work 2 more treble crochets. That means it's half lace shell stitch, and then skip 2 stitches. In the third work a lace shell stitch, which is 2 treble crochets. In this case 2 chains and 2 more treble crochets. Skip 2 stitches. In the third work another lace shell stitch, which is 2 treble crochets, 2 chains in this case, because we need to make this corners here, and 2 more chains in the same stitch, and again skip 2 stitches. In the third work a lace shell stitch, 2 chains and 2 treble crochets more, and here we're going to finish the row and here we're going to finish the row by making 3 double crochets, and we're going to finish the border by making 3 double crochets at the end of the row. And that's it. The edging, the border here is ready. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye.